All right, welcome back to AI content creation. I've got a really cool software to show you today, and there isn't a lot of softwares that I've seen that actually can do this. So I'm in actually ChatGPT, but this is not the software I'm showing you today. I just want to show you the stuff that I had to do in ChatGPT, and there's only one other software, like it's called Claude, that I've seen be able to upload files and then analyze the file and then create them. So ChatGPT, you can't really attach anything inside of here, to my knowledge. There are a lot of plugins and so forth, but here's some of the advanced prompts that I've actually used. You can see I have this massive backstory about my business, right? So if you want some really good content created with AI, and that could be ChatGPT, it could be any of your favorite AI writers, you're going to have to do, it's only as good as the prompting, right? So you can pause the video and see this, but this is just nuts how much content I put in this prompt right over here. And then it built out a really good email sequence for me in ChatGPT. Now I want to show you this other software right over here. Now this was using ChatGPT 4.0 plus, right? This is $20 a month and so forth. Let me show you this other software that's super cool that we can go out here and do similar things to as well. So we can actually go over here. It's called Chat Gorilla. The link will be below. Right now, it's during launch. This is actually, I believe, the last day of the launch. So if you're seeing this video, you want to go and double check and make sure that you can pick this up for the lifetime deal during the launch. The launch is only the lowest pricing ever is only for the, December 19th, 20 and 21. So today's the 21st. So I think this is the last day. So I just wanted to get this tutorial out so you guys can see the power of it. So you have a couple of different ways. You can go with a new freestyle chat over here. You can go with prompts over here. So like you can go to new prompt and you have all these different things you can do. We can go into email and then we can select what kind of email we want right over here. Let's say it's for an affiliate product. And then it's going to have you fill out these little miniature questionnaires here. And you're going to choose what kind of email. And then you're going to start a chat. So it's going to be a custom chat that knows it's going to basically come up with a nice prompt for you. But if we want to do something else right over here, so I want to show you this new chat. I'm going to go to a freestyle chat. I'm just going to say that I want a 10 email sequence for 6-figure Freedom Club. This is one of my products I sell on one of my other channels. And I'm just going to say create. So then now we have this new chat that is similar to like ChatGPT, right? We're in here. This is a chatbot system. So now we're over here into this software over here that's a chatbot system as well. And what the cool part about this is we can actually come in here and click this plus button before coming in here and prompting it. You can write your prompt in right here and push enter. I'm going to push this plus button because what I did was I took over here, I took all that content from ChatGPT, all this, I went and put it into a Word. I made a Google Doc out of it. Sorry, guys. A Google Doc. And then what I did was I went to File, Export, or Download, and I downloaded it as a PDF. It's very important that you download it as a PDF because that's the way that you can read files in here. So now we're in Chat Gorilla, and I can push this plus button, and I can say Analyze File, and I can go and select this file, select this PDF right here, and push Open. And then now it's going to analyze that. And then now I can give it a prompt. I can say, create a 10-day email sequence promoting my 6-figure Freedom Club community. Use the attached PDF for content for the emails. Now, what we would do is we would say, make the emails around 150 words long, create a catchy email title for each email. Now, one thing I wish Chat Gorilla would do is that it would allow us to write down, so we can see the entire prompt kind of. I'm sure they'll probably fix that. And then what I'm going to say is I'm going to say, be friendly, kind, and persuasive. End with a call to action to sign up to the community today. Okay, so then we have this prompt inside of here that we just created. It's going to take those hundreds of words of backstory based on the PDF, and then I'm going to push enter right here. And now Chat Gorilla right here, Gorilla is typing. It's going to go out there and utilize all that information that we have inside of the PDF right here. It's all this information right over here. It's going to go and use that, and then it's going to create us an email campaign that we can go and put in our favorite email autoresponder, whether that's Aweber, GetResponse, ConvertKit, whatever you're using. And you can see I've been using this the last few days. I've actually been testing this a lot in different niches, plumber, all kinds of stuff right over here. And then we have the freestyle chats over here as well. So now let's see what it came up with. So we're going to scroll back up and we'll start looking at what it came up with for us. Okay, so we're on right over here, day one. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys right over here, like so. So we're on day one, subject, welcome to Six Figure Freedom Club. Hi there, I'm thrilled to welcome you to Six Figure Freedom Club community. This is a place where like-minded individuals come together to motivate and learn from each other. In this community, we share tips, strategies, and resources to help you achieve your goal to make six figures online. Our experienced members and mentors are here to help you and answer any questions you have. So get ready to meet some amazing people and take your online business to the next level. Sign up to the community today and let's start this together. See you on the inside. Best, your name. Day two, the power of having a supportive community. I hope you're enjoying being part of the Six Figure Freedom Club. So right here, what I would do is we would just go over here and I would come back down to the chat, because that's two emails in a row where it's kind of treating them like they're already signed up. So I'm going to zoom back out. And then here's what I'm going to say. I'm going to say, please write again. And the emails should be to people that are not yet signed up for the community, not yet signed up to the community, something like that, right? So I'm going to push enter. It's going to go and take all the information that it has, and it's going to go and improve on these emails. So you're, like I said, your chats and your results in these AI tools is only as good as your prompt. And as good as that prompt is right up here, it was pretty, technical, pretty long prompt right here. I should have still been specific that I'm emailing a list of people that are not yet members, because it kept saying, welcome to the Six Figure Freedom Club. It kept talking about it. So it kind of didn't make sense, right? So it's still asking to join, but then it's saying, hope you're enjoying being part of. So those didn't make sense. So let's see if it does a better job with these next results that we've got. Okay, so we got our results back. Let's go and test them out. So we're right over here. Welcome to the opportunity of a lifetime. Are you tired of not seeing the results you desire in your business or career? It's time to change that narrative. I would like to introduce you to the Six Figure Freedom Club, a unique community designed to help you reach your goal. So it's doing a lot better now. At Six Figure Freedom Club, we share invaluable tips, proven strategies, and guided mentorship to help you shine in your business. Get ready to dive into a pool of high achievers just like you, hungry for success. Join today and embark on an exciting journey with us. And then your name, boom. Number two, unleash your potential with the Six Figure Freedom Club. Isn't it frustrating seeing your dreams and potential falter due to lack of substantial supportive guidance? So you can see it's doing a lot better because we improved on our prompt, and it's taking all that knowledge from the PDF in order to know kind of what to write. So it's really, really cool. It's doing all this stuff. That's just part of it, right? So now we can come over here. If we wanted to, we can say request an image. And now I can say a businessman in an office working in a skyscraper office working in New York City. And I'm going to push enter. And then now Gorilla is going to go out and it's going to draw for us right here. And this makes Chat Gorilla another level up on other AI writers because it is able to create really good images. These are not going to be these are going to be using some of the highest quality AI images that you can get, whether that's DALL-E 3, whether that's Midjourney, Leonardo, some of the better AI generators. You're going to see that it's going to create some really cool content for us. So look at these right over here. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and download that, and then we'll download that one, and then we'll go and take a look at these and so you can see the quality of these. I mean, look at this. This guy is clearly in New York City right over here, and he's at his laptop and he's working. And you got this glass desk with all this, like a see-through glass desk right there. I mean, that is just an insane image. The fingers are not messed up or anything. This is an image you could put on your blog. Super cool. Let's go look at the other one. So then we have this image right over here as well. So he's clearly in a skyscraper right over here in an office working. Looks really good. Fingers are not messed up. So again, another great image as well. So you get all of these options. You can ask it to create different versions of this and so forth. But you get all these options using this tool. So super cool. There are so many more things that I could go and show you, but I'm going to end this video right here. I can create more content using this. They have all kinds of stuff, something to improve my SEO on my website. Look at all the options they have. Optimize your website for SEO, generate a list of keywords, create a content calendar. They have sales script stuff, something for my website or e-com store. And then they have all this other stuff, blog posts, design call to actions, create customer testimonies. They have all this based on, here's affiliate products right here, but they have this based on the guys behind the software who made ChatGorilla. They've made over $12 million selling software the last decade. And so that required a lot of sales copy knowledge, right? Copywriting. And they've combined all those into custom 1,000 prompts that are inside of the software here. That way you get those custom prompts. Like if I went back over here to email, for example, and I went into an affiliate product, and let's just say I went, if I fill this out, describe your product, let's just say it's ChatGorilla for now. What are the key benefits? AI writer, easy, let's just say one-click content writer, easy to use. Anyone can use this software, something like that. Some benefits, right? What are the results? Make more sales, unlimited content for marketers. And then right over here, we can say what kind, right? So showcasing dream results, benefits based, referral. So let's go with the benefits based and then start chat. And then I'm just going to say ChatGorilla. So right now we're designing a custom chat. So that's what makes this different than other AI writers. We're actually creating a ChatGorilla email, right? And then now we say create prompt. So we're creating this. And then now watch, when we click inside the box here, we have this custom prompt right here. Write an email promoting a ChatGorilla to make more sales, unlimited content for marketers, describe the product in detail, and mention these key benefits, AI writer, blah, 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 and thank them for supporting you. So boom, and we can go right over here. And then now Gorilla is typing, it's going to go out there and write this email for us. So it's going to utilize all the different unique prompting in there. And as you fill out the forms, it's going to create these very specialized prompts for you and what you're trying to achieve in your business. And that is what separates this. You're like basically building custom prompts. It takes you along the way, kind of template based as well, merging a lot of really cool things together. And then now you get this really nice email right over here. You can, pause the video and read that, but it's really, really good. And then right over here, you could even say, shorten this to 150 words if you wanted to, or you could keep the detailed email. So ChatGorilla, get it today. This is the last day that it's going to be on its lowest price ever. It is a lifetime deal, so you won't have to pay again. And thanks for joining me. I'll see you in the next video.